Alright guys, welcome to this video. We're at the car show. So we're just going to walk around and look at some cars for you for about 10 minutes. So you won't get too bored. There's ours right there. Beautiful red Ruby.
God of War Jeep.
Got the God of War Jeep from one of our friends. Got a nice square body over there. Nice Corvette right here. Early 60s Corvette. That truck's getting ready to leave. Beautiful 57 Chevy over there. The nice green LED underglow. That's a big old Dodge truck lifted up, pretty cool. And a GTO. Nice Camaro here. Couple Camaros right in a row. Yellow one over there. I tell you guys, this place is packed with people. Another Corvette, Monte Carlo. A Challenger here. Got a newer Camaro here. That's an interesting color. I kind of like that green. Nice GTO right there, my body style. I'd love to get one, but I got too much already. A newer Mustang and a Corvair. Flat black square body right here. Oh, look at that! We got the Mystery Machine from Scooby-Doo with Scooby-Doo inside of it. Now that's kind of cool, if you like Scooby-Doo especially. Check out it's probably a vinyl wrap on this Hummer. If that don't scream American to anybody, then hey, you need to go back to wherever that came from. Got a camo Camaro. That's pretty cool.
I like it.
Got an 80s Monte Super Sport right here. My favorite, that's my favorite style. They're so much more sportier looking. Got a new high performance Camaro with a turbo on it. Looks like we come into Mustang Row here. We got 3 Mustangs in a row. A nice 70s Vet and a Camaro Super Sport right there. Got a Charger. I don't know what this is, but it's old. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks really nice. Got an old Jaguar here, older Jaguar. We got a nice 55 Chevy Stepside. I know that year because that's one of my favorite trucks. A nice hot rod here. Got 72 Chevelle here. Nice looking Cobra here. And another Corvette here. And an even colder Corvette right there. And check out that 59 Cadillac right there in pink. It's a little dark, but it's hard to see, but that's pink. Some older Mustangs over there, the better ones, you know, the original Mustangs. Got an Oldsmobile. Oldsmobile Cutlass here. It's not a 442, but it's still a Cutlass. Oh, I love that color on that Mustang right here. Well, we'll end with this. I hope you guys like this little video I made at the car show we came up to see. So, until the next one, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you later.